Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today there was Inks Cup semi-final second round. Shin Jinseo vs Zhao Chenyu. You know, the first round, Zhao Chenyu lost the game because he couldn't control his time well. So today's main point is whether he could recover his psychology or not. So today Zhao Chenyu handled the black and then Shin Jinseo handled the white. Let's watch from now. Black has played just 3 and 4 and the white plays a star, and Zhao Chenyu just played the 3 and 4 couple times and even played the knight move. Normally knight move was not easy to see nowadays, because always AI prefer for 2-space jump or a large knight move. Then if he has played the knight move, that means he want to play like the stable territory style for his beginning. And the white just answers approach here and the black also ignore. This shoulder is one of Shin Jinseo's favorite. We can see quite often from his game. And when he plays here, at this moment, Shin Jinseo show was a very interesting tactics. Most of the time, white just prefer to play the 1-space jump or the knight move. But now he just has played the triple times pushes here because now he has prepared this move. When he presses here, then somehow the right hand side the value is getting down. So now black pushes here. Even Zhao Chenyu realized that he doesn't want to follow what Shin Jinseo is thinking. So he just pushes one more time and then just approaches here. That means now the right hand side the value is keep getting down. So Shin Jinseo just block here and then he just return here and then 2-space jump. And this is quite interesting, because normally when we give this move and we feel quite painful, but Shin Jinseo realized that now the strategy is not good. If black just jumps here, white doesn't have a base, but if white plays a 2-space jump, then this is the base point for each other, and this black is also lonely. So he just accepted this double hane, and now Zhao Chenyu just decided to take care of his weak stone, and the white also has to play the jump. And when he plays here, left hand side is getting bigger, so Shin Jinseo just approach the enough line. Not too far away, not too close. If white plays here, maybe I think Shin Jinseo doesn't want to give invasion, and it might be a bit lonely. And then now the lower side is the biggest. After white just attack kick and 1-space jump, now beginning has done. At this moment, what do you think? What is the suggestion of the AI? AI suggests the lower side. Now is the timing of the invasion here. This is one of the basic invasion. So if black just answers, then white can jump out to the center. And if black just attack here, then white can attach and double hane. Then saving lower side is quite easy, not so difficult. But this time, Shin Jinseo decided to just push here. I guess maybe this is a quite thick move, and it can even press 2 stones. But it was not better than just the invasion to the lower side. But it doesn't mean this is a big mistake. Still is 50-50. So Zhao Chenyu just kick here and then just hit tenuki. Okay, now starting from now, white just decided to invade to the lower side. But Shin Jinseo show was the different joseki. He just has played here. This is a pretty cool move. If black just separate here, the white can jump and slide here. So saving at the lower side is not so difficult. And another joseki is that black can even play here. If the white just hane, old joseki is this move. But white can just Ataru and play here. White can get everything. So the new joseki is not like that. Zhao Chenyu knows that what AI suggests. He just attach and the white plays here, and then he invade here. Now is the best timing of the invasion. The reason why, if white just separate here, then black can return. And this exchange is very amazing for black. Black can save at the corner, so even the black lost at the lower side is not so painful for black. So Shin Jinseo knows that he just step back here and he accept this sente. And now joseki is different, because if black just block here, then black did nothing. So black can only play the stretch, and white also stretch and then save at the lower side. So they were having such trading. White is break everything at the lower side, but black get the thick influence, and even the corner, he may save this stone anytime. So now it's still 50-50, and Shin Jinseo just decided to attach here and reduce the left hand side. At this moment, actually it was the really great chance for Zhao Chenyu. I guess maybe he was not thinking the beginning was bad for him. So he just used a simple move. But there was a better move. He can even decide to attach here. In case white just answers, then black can step back here. This is much better for the point. Yeah, this hane is not so painful right now. And if white just want to recapture this and then here, then now black is much stronger, and even black can handle the center first. So I guess maybe Zhao Chunmi just he is thinking the beginning is acceptable, so he just used the normal move, and then white just hane and then kone. So they share the big plays from now, and then black just jumps here. Okay, starting from now is the highlight of this game. Shin Jinseo, suddenly he just make all the sente and attaches here. Right now, the aji is not working anything. If white plays here, there is the double hane. So the covering aji is not so hard. Even white just cut here, then black can atari this way, yeah, and just go out and let white capture. Nothing is gonna work, yeah, and or even black can just step back here, then capture and then atari, yeah. But this time, Shin Jinseo prepared after black's strategy here, and he just invade here. This time, this question move was quite difficult for Zhao Chunmi. Probably, if this was like 10 seconds game or 15 seconds the fast game, even the trading there, we know that there will be trading, right? So black will probably just go out and the white cut here. And black cannot play here because white can recapture like this one. So now black has to just answer, then white can hane. The trading result is like, of course, better for white in the local area, but black can catch the center and the black can handle the center first. Then it's 50-50, yeah. But starting from now, Zhao Chunmi really felt that very hard to answer from this move. And then he just step back here, yeah. And the Shin Jinseo just block here. This time, even this was a good timing to use this move. Yeah, it can be much better for the point. If black doesn't answer anything, and this invasion is quite annoying for black, because white can use cente in this way, yeah, like this. Somehow the making aji is very easy. So he just decided to step back here a couple times, but now this is a losing move to this game, yeah. It was too passive, and then black just accept everything, and now suddenly white is winning a lot, yeah, just like more than, yeah, enough, yeah, just like AI percentage is changed suddenly. So this time I'm not sure if this was not the semi-final game, whether Zhao Chunmi will step back like now or not. Yeah, probably I think he was thinking that he was not bad in the beginning. But after this, when Shin Jinseo became AI, and the white just decided to attack this group, and he just start to use the soft attacking. He is waiting for the aji here for pressing this group, and he is looking for the reduce the center. So now black has to just keep take care of this group, but Shin Jinseo just get into the center, yeah, naturally. So now this group, black cannot use anything, yeah. And even Zhao Chunmi answered here. I can really feel that starting from now, no, just from just now, I think really he felt that his situation was not bad. But now, after Shin Jinseo just used the natural end game, yeah, and he is using he used all the move perfectly. And when he just jumps here, then now black's territory is not enough. So I think the black realized that he need to make something starting from now, and he was waiting for, I guess maybe when he just make this group thicker, he was waiting for the aji, because now ladder and net anything is not working. But Shin Jinseo made show us really the great winning move. When he just plays here, ladder is not working, even net is not working. Net is gonna broken like this, yeah. Here and then cut. Now white cannot really take care. So, what do you think? He has played attach here. This is making, yeah, Zhao Chunmi cannot answer, yeah. If he just ignore, this is really horrible. Now, this group is might be dead. So he has to just answer, but after white exchange and then make the net. Then this became a bad exchange. Yeah, like, doesn't play there was better. So now gap was bigger than just now, yeah. So this attach, I think somehow before white plays other plays, already Shin Jinseo prepared there. Yeah, when black just cut, I think he was already thinking about it. Yeah. So after this, Zhao Chunwei really did end the game very hard. He just plays a big plays. But I can really say that Shin Jinseo is really playing perfectly. Gap was not so much, but really black cannot challenge. So after make the sente here, and even black just push and cut, you can see that how Shin Jinseo is using the all the benefit. He just make the all the sente, and then even center he made the sente, and then he just hane here. If black just answers, then he want to even have a kosumi. Yeah, so now really black cannot cover the gomi. So now finally, Zhao Chunwei used this move. Yeah, for this game, I can say this was the one of the main point. Yeah, for winning while losing. He had a chance to use this move for 2 times already, but now timing was too late. So now white just accept and then push here. If black just answers here, then white can just jump here. Yeah, this time jumping is better. Here, then black may have an end game like this. But jumping is better for white. So Zhao Chunwei need to make some variation, complicated variation. He just has played the push. And Shin Jinseo show us amazing Tetsuja one more time. Yeah, in case white just connect, then black can connect. Yeah, this exchange is really not acceptable for white. And even just strategy is not okay. Black can just save at the corner. Then what do you think? He has played attach here. Yeah, it's pretty cool. And black cannot connect this way. It's the connect and die. And if black just captures, then white cannot tarry and block. Then also this is dead. Yeah. I don't think Zhao Chunwei couldn't see this move. Yeah, probably they both saw this move, but I think he knows that he need to make some variation. So he just cut here and then cut this way and then just jumps here. Now Zhao Chunwei was asking to Shin Jinseo, do you want to capture? Then I can capture. I can try to save this group. Yeah, somehow it looks danger, but actually black is okay. This core is really not possible to challenge for white. So Shin Jinseo just retreat and just give up this. There was some variation, but still white is leading enough. Yeah, really impossible to cover the gomi. So after this, it's like really Shin Jinseo played perfectly. Yeah, because you know even they have a feeling that his counting should be perfect. Black plays a attachment here. This is a really good move for end game. If white just connect, then black can do end game a lot. So instead of here, just attach was better. Yeah, because black has to hane here. At this moment, just the end game part, Atari is much better actually. Because if black just connect, then white can tidy clearly. Yeah, but Shin Jinseo was worried about whether black can challenge the core. If black can win this core, then point is big different. Yeah, so now instead of just counting the coast threat, and he really counted the territory balance, who was leading, who was losing. Yeah, so after he count, and then he just decided to stretch. Actually, this is not better than Atari here, but he didn't give any variation, complicated variation to Zhao Chunwei. Yeah, this is a final winning move. Yeah. To be honest, when we are searching the AI, though this is a blue spot, but I can say that instead of winning more game, then just giving less chances is actually better. Yeah. So now strategy here, and black really tried end game very hard, but Shin Jinseo even used the perfect end game. Yeah. After this, what do you think? White just win 1 point for the Inks Cups rule. If I just translate in Korean rule and Japanese rule, I can say that 1.5 point white win actually, but in the Inks Cup, what we are calling is different. Yeah. So it's really perfect counting as well. Perfect end game, perfect middle game, perfect counting. This time, why Shin Jinseo is strong is because when he was losing the first game, when he was behind, and he could catch up the chance, and he made a perfect end game, and he catch up the first game, and even second game. When he was leading the game and even counting and end game, then everything was really great and perfect and controlling of the time. So yeah, really it's so impressive. So I don't have to add any sentence for this game as well. Yeah, so just in the beginning, Zhao Chunmi, I think the game flow was better, but I think he was a bit, I can say that he couldn't recover his psychology part. He was a bit passive in the left-hand side, and that will be the losing move. After that, really, Black didn't have any chance for this game. So really, I can say that Zhao Chunmi played very well, but just Shin Jinseo was so much perfect. Yeah, so I'm so happy to introduce you. I can show you this game. Yeah, I'm so happy about that. Okay, everybody, Shin Jinseo goes up the Inks Cup final game. So let's just see whether there is a new hero, yeah, or not. Please support for those player, and I always appreciate it for my patron and the membership member as well. Thank you so much for supporting me, and please like and subscribe. That will help me a lot for continue to have this channel. Thank you. Bye bye.